guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for finding me. My name's Chrissy and today I'm going to be using this sleek experimenter kit. Just going to try a few of the products. If you'd like to see how they fare, please stay tuned. At Christmas, Boots was selling this sleek makeup experimenter kit and I think it's supposed to be £63 worth of products, and I think they were selling it for about £20. It was a crazy sale price, so I picked it up. Well, I haven't actually used it yet, so I thought I might as well give it a go. Different brand obviously, but this is what it's like inside. We've got a highlighting palette which is called Light Speed, iDivine eyeshadow palette which is called All Night Long, Matte Me lip which is called Birthday Suit, a lip shot glass which is called Plot Twist, a life proof 12-hour wear metallic eyeliner in Uncontrollable, loose pigment in Trance, shattered glass glitter lip topper in Bad Moon, Black Utopia volumizing mascara, fierce felt liner in Zodiac Black, and lip dose soft matte lip click in Controversy. So we're going to try as many as we possibly can out of there today. This is the iDivine. It is in matte and this is, the sleek name is in like a brighter colour, like a gloss. This is the eye palette, so nothing that's going to set the world on fire, but it's okay as a basic palette. I'll just prime my eyes and I will be back to you. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this on just to give me a nice base to start on. Literally just dipped it in and just put a tiny little bit on. It goes so far. Sorry if you can hear the washer in the background, it's just gone on to spin. Yeah, I'm just going to set my base with just this neutral colour. So we'll just do just a natural everyday work look. For those who are still going to work, for those who are stuck at home, I am really sorry. I'd imagine people are struggling now. I'll try this colour here, I think, to start with, just to deepen up. I use the same brush. This is the first time I haven't used Revolution on my eyes for a long time. I'm just building this up on the sides now. Obviously I have to pretty much do a similar look a lot of the times because of the hoodedness of my eyes, and I'll say it every time. But it's you're sort of limited to what you can do. That's a nice colour actually. It's got a very faint hue of mauve in it. I've pretty much gone up to my eyebrow with that this time. That has got a little bit of a shimmer as well. I'm going to have to take this colour here. I'm just going to add this right to the crease at the corner and just work that in. Just to give you a little bit of definition at the side. I'm not going to go real out and out today. But I do want to try as many of the products out as I can. A little bit of fallout, nothing major. Let's just take this fallout as I go along. So it's nothing major. So I was going to use the pigment, but the way the colour's gone, it's not going to suit the look. So I'm going to take this champagne shimmer, and let me have a look at the other one. I've got a pink one and a champagne one. So I think either will do. What I might do is I might put this one in the first part and this on the main. Right. In the first part. It's quite a creamy feeling, well, it's like a velvety feeling powder. So I'm just putting that on the first part. Then I'm going to go in with this champagne colour. Some people just don't like using the fingers at all. Oh my goodness, that's bright. Wow, that is pretty. This would make a beautiful halo eye. Really, really pretty. It's really brightened the look up. I think I'm going to go over that first colour in the first part. And just mix them together. Sort of pressed it in a little bit so it's not so shocking. And then I'll just go back in with the other colours and just deepen them up a little bit. I think sometimes you can have all these bold colours, but then sometimes you just do want just something soft. I'm just playing that part there where they both meet, just sort of blending them into each other, so you haven't got that line, this one especially. So it's just a little bit softer. I'm going to take that darker brown that I used on the outside, and I'm going to just sort of create this liner along the bottom. Go with the volumising mascara. Just your basic. Oh, actually, that's quite a strange brush. It's flat on the bottom. I thought I was going mental then. It's flat on the bottom, and it's got the other bristles on it everywhere else. That's a very, very soft mascara as well. The brush is actually really nice. Really separating the lashes out. I must admit, I am going for a lot softer mascara now. I used to love that, like that thick, long, jet black lash, but I am enjoying the more subtle looking mascara now. I really like that. That is really pretty. I don't know whether it says it's volumising, but I don't think it's volumising. It's really pretty. So definitely Black Utopia by Sleek. I like it. I'm going to pop off and just do a bit of a brow and put a little bit of powder foundation, a little bit of a contour-y, bronzy type of thing. So I'm going to have a look at these. Let's get it out. It comes with 4 shades in. Now, obviously the gold is going to be far, far too dark. That's more, to me, that would be more of a eyeshadow colour. That's the dark one. Wow, that is very dark. That is the next one, which is also dark. That's not too bad. So those are in itself very, very dark shades. Do you know what? I've got Solace, which is the same sort of, that's a lot better. Those are a lot more lighter shades. Let me show you these. See, those are much, much better. Those are much better for me. This one first. It's got a little bit of, it's quite glittery. I don't know whether it's because I've only put powder foundation on, but it's quite texturising. Let's try the pinky one now. Why not? That one's a lot. I don't know whether it's because it's over the top of that one. Brow highlighter as well, going in with a pink one. This one. That's pretty. This is much more my shade than the other. Let's just bring this down a little bit. I like that one. This is a must, definitely. There we go. So this is the clicky pen. This one was the lip gloss. That one was the matte one, and that is the lip topper. So out of everything, I think I'm just going to stick with the normal lip. Very smooth. I actually do like the shape of that. Can you see the shape? It's like a teardrop. That feels really nice. I'm gonna go and have a look, see if anywhere actually sells this now, or it's just gonna be one of the Boots things at Christmas. Let me have a quick look. Yeah, they've still got it. It was £12.50. That's what I paid for it. I knew it was something crazy price. I've just gone on there onto my order history. That is crazy amount of money for that. Absolutely, just keep a lookout for it in the Christmas months. But at the moment, I think there's only a few places like eBay and such like that. So a short and sweet one for Sunday with an everyday makeup. So if you have liked it, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. That would be fantastic. I will see you guys again on Tuesday. Not sure whether we've got a haul yet. I'm still waiting for some things to come, but please stay tuned for that. Love you loads, guys. Please stay safe. See you soon. Bye.